Crane Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Crane Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Crane Access Solutions, I have a set of watch repair knives that I bought from Lazada. It includes 5 pieces of watch case back openers, and each of which has its own type of tip. This type that I'm using is shaped like a small peeling knife. We also have this brand new watch that we are using in this video as our practice target watch. I'm not used yet to these watch openers, and before, I'm only using one type fits all watch case opener that is included in my watch repair toolkit. Right now, the first type failed to open the watch back cover. I'm not saying that the first type isn't a good watch back opener, but it's probably because I'm not used to it yet. Let's try another one. This time, the tip is a bit strange. It's like a small flat screwdriver with a blunt tip. It also failed to open the back cover of this watch. I'm not sure as to why it has failed, but this specific type of watch opener is cut for something else, maybe. Here's another type with a wider tip, but not as wide as the widest in the group. Let's try it. Nope, it also failed to remove the back cover of the watch. If you are watching this, I'm pretty sure it's not that the tools are bad, but I'm more inclined to believe that it's the technique and how I use it. If a seasoned watch repairman is using any of these tools, he could have opened it anytime. Okay, let's try another type. This one has a narrower tip, but has a wider base similar to the previous knife. Well, that has failed too. Looks like I need more practice with these tools. Here is the last type. It has the widest tip among them all, and it is exactly the same with the other set of watch repair knife that I have purchased before. Look, they're very similar. Only the color of the base is different, or the handle. Let's go ahead and try our luck with this one. I have had success with opening watch back cover with other ones similar to this before. I should be able to open this watch with this. There. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm just going to put the watch cover back to its place. And if you're watching this, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye. Thank you.